Friends, after a very long time, finally I have a budget earbud with me. This is KB Air KB02, and it is a little popular on the internet right now. So I decided to test it, and I have unboxed it. And here is the IM. It's in purple color. Although I didn't order the purple color, I ordered the other brown color. But anyway, let's test it, and then I will tell you whether it's good or not. And you can see that it comes with a lot of air tips, and this is the user manual for some people. And here is the cable, which is very minimalistic and very kind of boring, but we have to see how does it sound. It's just fine, but not the best of the cables. So it's very lightweight in hands, and when I tap it, it feels like it has a vibration. So it's very lightweight and very minimalistic design, very simple design, and it's very budget price. So I think the sound will be good because I have seen online reviews, but I have to see it myself. So without further delay, let me test it, and then I'll come back with my review. Welcome to my review section, friends. I have used it for more than 10 days. Now I'm going to present my honest opinion with you guys. It will be very short and straight to point. Let's start with its fit and comfort. They fit very nicely into my ears, and just like other regular size IEMs. Same with comfort level. It is comfortable to wear for longer sessions as well. In my first section, I said that cables are average, but now after using it, I am actually liking it because of only one reason. It doesn't get tangled. It's just so easy to control, and also it doesn't affect the sound as well. So overall the cable is good. Now coming to the most important chapter, how does it sound? The answer is it does sound good. Overall, if I collect all the data and characteristics of its sound quality and make a summary, then this would be it. It's a neutral sounding IEM with good and extensively covered bass. Now let me give you some more introduction. The bass is very forward and wide. It's deep and has some detail as well. The treble is very balanced, but sometimes it peaks depending on the sound and volume level, but it's fine. I don't have any problems. Mids are sometimes forward and sometimes it feels backward. It also depends on the sound use. It was a little hard to judge, but according to my experience, the vocals are balanced overall most of the times. That's it with my sound review chapter. And another interesting thing about this IEM is that when you click on the IEM shell, it feels drummy, as if you are playing the drums kind of. And the weight of the shell is also balanced. It's not heavyweight and not lightweight as well. Now coming to my recommendation segment. I recommend this IEM 100%, and here's why. First of all, it has impressed me with its sound quality because there are expensive IEMs who do not perform according to their price range. Lastly, it's very cheap IEM, and let me show you how you can get this IEM at very discounted price. Its original price is $40, but if you search on AliExpress, you will find two discounted prices. So I will provide you the $28 link in the description. So if you buy from this link, you will get $1 automatic discount plus $2 extra discount using the code in the description. So at the end, you will get this in just $25, which is a very budget and good price for this IEM. So must use the discount codes for your own benefits. Thank you very much for watching my video.